People, today is Tuesday. These are the cons I brought home from the week, from Sunday, or whenever it was I went. What I'm going to do, I'm going to filter it down to 8 mesh, I think it's called, or 1/8 or something like that. I'm not going to do the whole clean up panning, just the bigger meshes. So I've done that. Oh shit, hang on, what have I done here? I filtered that into my pan. I'll get another pan, wait. I'll get another pan. I just want to try see the biggest piece, and once I find the biggest piece, which will be quite small, I shall then run the material. So this is all plus 1/8 of an inch. That's done. Check in there. I know I didn't get any big pieces. I thought I did for a while, you know. But when I placed it in my cleanup, there was none there. It was a big rock, a yellow rock, I mean. Anyway, this is the larger shit that I brought home. And nothing good hiding in there, which I didn't think there would be. So that can piss off in there. Now, what do I need to do now? I need to take, I'm as usual not organised. Anyway, I took that shit out of there. Now I need to put this one here. This mesh is called 20 mesh. It goes on there. Chucking it in. This will catch a lot more material. And I just like to see, is there a bigger piece to look at? I do that. So 20 mesh, which is, I don't know what it is in size. I'm not seeing much happening there. I need another pan, this one, Anaconda. It can go here. Put some water in there. I don't know why, but I did. Turn the pan upside down and tap. Wash a little bit more and tap a little bit more. That's that one done, which can go under there. And now we'll have a look, see what's in here. This is plus 20 mesh, between 20 and 10 or whatever it was, 8, and backwash. Where I'm pointing. Oh, there's the biggest piece. Oh, I've got actually 2 pieces there. Yeah, 2 pieces got in there. Okay, so the piece that on my tapes I said I thought I had a biggest piece, and then I said no, it was a yellow rock. It obviously either was a yellow rock or it certainly didn't come home with me. Anyway, I'll show you these 2 pieces. These are the 2 biggest pieces all day. Obviously anything anything else ain't really worth looking at. Let tip this water away. So they're the two biggest pieces all day. There's the finger. Oh, look, I should be able to guess. I know what zero. Look, I'll put them both together and pretend it's one big piece. If that was one big piece, it would be 0.03. So that'll be 0.03. So they're each 0.015. People, that's all I got for now. Later I'm going to come back and run the rest of that shit. Not worth mucking around with any more panning. A lot of big pieces of black sands, man. Okay, so I'll be back with something more to add, and then after that we'll go to the workshop and see how much we brought home. Over. Okay, I got all this stuff in this bowl here now. Now I'll place it. I got an eating spoon. I'll put half an eating spoon at a time. In you go. Those two biggest pieces all day. I took them in and weighed them. Together the two pieces weighed 0.012. So they were half what I estimated them to be. So I need a lot of work, a lot of catching up to do here, just to make up for that amount. Anyway, I was hoping it when I was at the creek, and I was hoping I might manage 0.2 for the whole day. I done 0.1. I done 16 buckets, so my sort of 10% or 1% rule, whatever it is. 16 buckets should be 0.16. I don't know if that's going to happen, but anyway, that's that. I can turn this off now. I don't know where I was pointing. Doesn't matter. I was pointing where I was pointing. Turn this water off. That one off. Get this out the way. Tumble over there. Oh, terrible, man. Shit. I thought I'm not seeing much, but then again I got a lot of. I'm just tipping this to the side so that the water can run out of there. I'll put this in the shade, maybe better. Who can see that? I don't know. I got no idea where that's pointing. I got an idea, but that's how does it look. A bunch of gold up the top there, and a little bit staggered here and there. Massive amount of black sand. Anyway, we'll start off with the anaconda. That in there. This shit out. If I'm pointing. Looking, anything I left behind? Pretty much not. So we've knocked that down to this. And this is how I pan. I don't actually pan. I backwash this stuff. Panning's not my favourite thing. I'm good at losing gold when I pan. I don't know how much of this I'm going to show. It's pretty much boring. If it's boring, just press the fast forward button. That's all. Some people like to watch the panning, the backwashing technique. Anyway, so what I've done, round, left, right, left, right, left, right. Do 2 hands left, right to even that up better. 2 hands left, right, and tap, tap, tap around the middle, and then backwash. And I'm looking here, any pieces of gold. Up there doesn't matter. I don't want gold to go this way because I'm going to throw this part out in it once I'm ready. So I'm looking. And I'm not seeing. I'm seeing gold over there, but I'm not worried about that. I'm more here. I want to look. I'm not going to look there to see if one got away from there. I'm looking here only. It's probably in the dark, you can't see shit. If I do it in the sun is very low. I can't do it. What if I do it like this? Oh, here. Maybe that's better for you. I can see a couple of pieces there, but I'm more looking here. What I'll do, I get rid of that amount there, piss it off. Bit of fresh water, and round a little bit, and left, right to get it. I'm holding the pan on, like I said, at the base, and this wall make like a V, equal angles either side. So not level, not forward, but halfway each way. Left, right, and then I could tap, but I'm not. I'm going to backwash. I haven't got enough water. How much is the right amount? You just know. You say, oh, I haven't got enough water. I haven't got enough water. All these shadows everywhere. Here we go. And backwash. Pump, backwash, pump. And I'm looking all here. That gold doesn't go this way. Pump. And you want an equal amount of water coming this way and that way. Don't swirl it. If you're swirling it, you're doing it wrong. I mean, swirling can work. If it works for you, do it. But for me, it's a nonsense. Okay, I've got some microscopic shit starting to move now, so I'm going to leave that and just quickly let that go there, and there was nothing, so that's done. Now get a bit more water. Left, right, 2 hands. Left, right, and backwash. And I'm looking for gold to get, that might be getting away. And the thing is, when you do the panning, if you do it quick, all this shit's still there, and you can go over it again. Like if you lost 10% of the gold, you get it next time. Just you got to be wary of the floating gold. I'm done with that. I'm going to piss that off. I'll do one more using the anaconda, and then I might go to the garret. But I could do the whole lot with just the anaconda. Tap, 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 and pump, and pump, and pump, 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 pump. And even with two hands, left, right, still all my gold is going on that side for some reason. I don't know why it does that, but it does. And other people, or one other person, said that he also has that situation. Okay, so I don't want the anaconda anymore. I want the garret, because I somehow the garret works better for me when I'm very low on material, because it has a lip between the base and the wall. There's like a lip there, and I find it useful. Anyway, round, left, right, two hands, left, right, and tap, 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 and I'll tip some of this water out. And one more time, tap, tap, and pump. I don't even know if I'm pointing properly. Wait. Oh, who knows? Should be close. Okay, now I'm losing a lot of gold. So what I do, tap, tap, tap. There we go. And start pumping again. And see, now I'm past most of the just usual black sand, and I'm up to, they call it sulfides. I believe it's heavier than the actual black sand. And you really need to, if you want to get every single fleck of or speck of gold you've got, you really need to be slow. Well, you don't have to be slow, you just have to be careful. And usually slow and careful go together. Okay, so that's that. Pretty much tidied that up. Now I'm going to go me small garret, 8-inch, whatever it is. Hang on, that one's 14. Might be 10-inch or 8. Anyway, I'm going to transfer it into there. And the gold is not looking very plentiful at all, but you can only catch what you catch. So now this tiny pan, excuse me, I'm going to go and grab the special sauce. And what the special sauce is, it's Finnish dishwashing detergent. It's called, I think in America it's called Jet Dry. In Australia it's called Finnish, I believe. Put half a dozen drops in there. I've got way too much water, I believe. The sun's so low I can't really, how can I give you a, there. And tap, 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 tap. And pump, pump. I've got too much water. Tip some out. There we go. Tap, 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 tap. Who's bored? The fast forward button is your friend. I've got to push these bits of gold. Tap, 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 tap. Get back up there. Oh, terrible. Oh, look, it's not when I say it's terrible, it depends what you compare it to. Oh, it's all getting away. Okay, I'll finish this off. Wait, let me. No, I'm losing flex. But I've got too much water again. Okay. How do you know if you got too much water? I can't explain that. Look, I'm losing pieces of gold. Okay. Some of my gold. Not some of my gold, but one or two tiny bloody things went down there. About two, or one, or none. Regardless, I'm going to get that out of there. Yeah, there goes one. Okay, a little bit more water. I'll put another couple of drops of special sauce. Usually one is enough, but I can't resist the urge to put more. I'll fix it up. Well, that's it there, people who can see that. It's got to be 0.1. There's the finger. Let me look. I reckon I did get to 0.16, you know. Or not. Yeah, I did. Who wants to have a guess? I'll meet you back at the weigh-in. Over. For the people who are interested, after that run, I got the tailings and ran it a second time, and this is what escaped the first time through. One lovely piece. Yeah, I suppose I call it lovely. That's the lovely piece in the dark shade, I mean, and that's it in the morning sunlight. So that's what got away. But it didn't get away because I run it twice. So I'll take that off, put it in with the rest of them, and meet you back in the workshop. Over. Damn. I don't know what the story is here. While this was out there in the sun drying, I think some of the gold evaporated. Where's the gold? I think when it's wet, the wetness expands somehow, makes it look more. Anyway, that's what's there. Shit, people. I was hoping for 0.16. I mean, I'm not hoping. I said easily 0.16. I'll be lucky to get 0.1 there. Anyway, let's slap it in the thing. See what happens. Oh dear. I don't know if you can see that. Where am I pointing? Should be. Alright. Be careful not to spill it. Oh, hang on. Something's wrong with too much breathing. Anyway. Let's dip it in. 0.03. Oh my God. .08, Jesus. I've got pickers bigger than that. Not many, but that's terrible. Okay, so that's that. And then I said I had the two biggest pieces all day, which were another 0.11, which still won't get me to 0.01 to 0.1. But anyway, in we go. So it just made it all just a bee's dick under 0.1. So that's terrible. Going by the amount of gold, terrible result. But going by did I have a good day? It was a nice day. Anyway, 0.1 people, so that's that. For now, until next time, this is Mohammed Novelia, Gold Sluice Tinkerer, over and